Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome to Grandpa's Workshop. Firstly, as always, big thank you to all my subscribers. This week I'm taking a look at a multi-purpose detector and a moisture detector, and I'm also making a little something for my wife. First up, I've got this multi-purpose detector, and I got this from my local Lidl and it cost me £9.99. So let's get it out of the box and I'll read what it says on the box. Got the detector, instruction book and two AAA batteries. So on the box it says finds current carrying cables, metal components, wooden beams and cavities. Exact location finding via intensity graphics and supporting audible alarm. 3 adjustable sensitivity levels for detecting live cables with voltage warning display. Battery charge indicator. Batteries are included, which we already know. It says 4 detector functions, depth detection, live cable up to approximately 50mm, metal component up to approximately 30mm, wooden beams up to approximately 19mm, cavity up to approximately 38mm. It says it includes marking pencil and instruction manual. The writing in this instruction manual is really small, so I can't see that without my reading glasses. Marking pencil is just on the side. It's only a small little pencil, but at least there is one, which will come in useful. And it's kept nice and secure in the side of the device. It's got a little plastic cover to cover the screen. Batteries go in the back. On off button, sensitivity selector, and select which one you want it to use. The model number for this is PM-SHM2A3. I've bought this because I'm going to be putting a shelf up soon near some electrical cabling in the wall, and I just want to make sure I don't hit any wires. I'm not going to do a demonstration on how to use this. I'm just showing what I've bought, because for me I think £9.99 were a reasonable price. Next up, I've got this little Parkside moisture meter. This is a PM-SHM2A3. This was £9.99, and I picked it up at the same time as the multi-purpose detector, because when I'm going to be doing some resin and wood in pressure pot, I want to make sure there's no moisture in the wood, or at least as little as possible. So this will be great for checking it. Inside the box, got the moisture meter. We've got a little instruction book and some AAA batteries. So on the box it says for measuring moisture in walls, cladding, building materials or firewood. 6 different material groups to choose from for precise measurement. Additional temperature measurement with a protective cap for the measuring pins, extra small and handy. Moisture measuring range 0 to 44%. Instruction manual included. Warning, measuring pins are very sharp. It's quite stiff to take off. There's the measuring pins. Little plastic cover over the screen. There's two buttons. Power button, lock button. This button selects between material and temperatures. I'm going to put the two batteries in. Right, I hope you found these really quick unboxings interesting. But now I'm going to move on to the next part of the video, which involves this. My grandchildren bought this for my wife on Mother's Day, and she wants me to make a little stand for it so a little tea light can sit behind it. So that's what I'm going to do next. Right, I've got a piece of peeler. What I've done is I've marked out an area to remove a little channel with a router for that to sit in, and then I'm going to drill a hole behind it for a tea light. Because this is such a small piece, the router will be unstable near the edges, so I've got this piece of wood that's almost the same thickness. I've got this piece, which is a part of this piece of sapele anyway. So what I'm going to do is use that to give me extra base for the router to sit on. I'm going to be using a little mill end bit in the router just to remove these shaded sections. I'm going to drill a little recess now with a 38mm Forstner bit for the tea light to sit in. Right, all that's left to do is sand it and then apply some wax as a finish. I'll let that dry, then I'll buff it off. I'll buff the wax off, So that's that completed. Alright, as always, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.